DJ ATV.
My brother, good evening.
Evening, sir. How work, sir?
I did. It's Dumbeko.
Yeah. Okay, I was trying to reach you. I don't know whether you have spoken with you.
No, I'm not.
Okay. Let me check him. That time he said I should call.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what's the problem?
Well, there's no problem except we asked that they should move the thing to the rack center they refused. And the usual intimidation.
Intimidation by who now?
No, we know that's what they will do. It's just that arriving late a bit and trying to put up the disbursement and set up our.
I don't know what you're saying. You're not saying that anything. Who is intimidating you?
No, like me, nobody is intimidating me. We have people there.
Tell everybody to be there. Nobody. You couldn't did it. You couldn't say don't move there. You couldn't did it. They couldn't do anything. You understand me? You couldn't go and did it. So the hero said he will not do. He will not understand.
Yeah.
The hero is posted from where?
From Plateau.
From Plateau.
But
I'll call the Plateau man now. I'll tell him to tell me if he does not return my destiny, I will deal with him. Don't worry.
No, let him just sign, that's all.
Maybe that was if he does that he should return whatever, and I'm going to make sure that I will kill him in this state. Don't worry. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Call the bank coordinator.
Yes.
Of Plateau, the man in the chair.
Yes.
That I said he should warn his man in Ghana.
Okay, sir.
That if he does rubbish, he should reform what he gave. That if he tries it, that will make sure that he will never leave the state.
No problem.
So the time I gave him that he should warn him. If he's playing with people, he thinks that they will collect that and begin to do rubbish. That time that I said that you see what I will do to him. If that's how they be, and then too, I think the man in Ikwere, I think it's also Plateau. I think it's also Plateau. So find out and tell them that call the three coordinators that I said they should tell their people. If they want to joke with me, it's not me. I will kill them in this way before they leave.
No problem.
If I want to return what they gave them, I will kill them. Just call the three of them.
All right.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJ TV.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.